Red and green macaw. The red and green macaw, also known as the green-winged macaw, is a large and colorful species of macaw native to parts of South America. Red and green macaws are known for their striking plumage. They have bright red feathers on their wings and the upper surface of their tail, which gives them their common name. Red and green macaw is predominantly green, and they have blue feathers on their head and lower wings. Their eyes are surrounded by white facial skin, and they have a strong, curved black beak. Red and green macaws are found in a wide range of South American countries, including Brazil, Bolivia, Paraguay, and parts of northern Argentina. They inhabit various types of forested habitats, including tropical rainforests, savannas, and gallery forests near rivers. Red and green macaws are highly social birds and often form large flocks. They are known for their loud calls and their ability to mimic sounds. They feed on a varied diet that includes fruits, nuts, seeds, and even some vegetation. The red and green macaw generally mates for life. The female typically lays 2 or 3 eggs in a nest made in a hole in a tree. The female incubates the eggs for about 28 days, and the chicks fledge from the nest about 90 days after hatching.